Hey everyone, it's John. Been in the shop, busy a lot lately, on a rush project for a really special cause. Wanted to share a little bit about that with you and let you know how you might be able to help as well. Printing big things, putting together big things, and something right behind me there. So let's talk about that right now. Come on back. It's John. I work for Props and Armory. Alright, so about a year ago almost now, I was watching a video on Tested, and it covered an organization, an unveiling of some special project at San Diego Comic-Con. And the name of the organization is Magic Wheelchair. And what Magic Wheelchair does is really cool. They make mobile cosplays for kids who are in wheelchairs, and they build costumes that fit around these awesome kids' power chairs, push chairs, whatever they happen to be, and the kids get to pick the costume that they want. And then volunteers all over the U.S. work together to put together these costume projects that are given to kids free of charge. And this year there is another awesome set of builds happening, 7 of them that are going to be unveiled at San Diego Comic-Con next month. And some amazing makers are involved in that, including Adam Savage and the Tested team. Fawn Davis, who was an effects artist on multiple Star Wars films, and Tom Spina Designs are putting together one as well. Monster City Studios, lots and lots of people are working on projects for these 7 special Star Wars builds for this year. Now, a year ago almost, when I was watching that video about the unveiling last year where there was Justice League builds, I watched the video and I thought, wow, that's really an amazing and cool organization. Well, some point came about 2 weeks ago when a friend of mine named Sean Fields of Project 842 reached out to me and said, yeah, you know what Magic Wheelchair is? And I said, yeah, absolutely, I know what that is. And he says, hey, I got a project. I'm actually working on it, and I'm putting together a group of people to work on it, and that's about all I needed to hear. Thankfully, he actually asked me to help out with it after the fact. So we're doing a Star Wars build because there is 7 of those. The girl who picked out our particular build chose the one that she wanted. It's right behind me. I'm working on a small part of that, so I wanted to share that with you and show you a little bit about what I'm doing with that project and let you know how you guys can help too. So let me show you what I've been working on.
Where are those droid cars? Master, destroy us!
I've been printing a lot of big stuff. This build is not going to be small, and thankfully I only have a relatively small part in it. I'm building the blaster portions of the destroyer droid from Star Wars Episode 1. So, a lot of printing time. I've been printing solid now. My machine has not. My CR10 is the only one that I have that's large enough to print these parts. It's been printing nonstop for a week now. And for a print this big and a project this big, I needed a little help when it came to filament, because this project is completely done as volunteer work by everybody who's doing the build. So I put out a call on Twitter and said, does anyone know anybody, or does anyone, companies, would you be able to help out with some filament? And thankfully to having good people that I've met along the way, including Joel the 3D printing nerd, Joel Telling. If you've not seen his channel, check out some of his videos. I'll put a link down to him down below. He helped out in that call and tagged Matterhackers on Twitter. Matterhackers is a seller and retailer of all kinds of things, 3D printing, printers, accessories, and lots of stuff. And within a couple minutes of putting that call out there, I had a message back from them, and a couple of messages back and forth. And before I knew what would happen, I had the filament that I needed, and I paid almost next to nothing to get a hold of it. So thank you, Matterhackers, for helping out with this. It was a lot of filament. I've gone through almost 6 rolls of filament and printing the stuff that I have. I use the Matterhackers Build Series PLA, which has been fantastic, and I'm doing big prints that take a day to. The one that's going on the CR10 behind me, and hopefully it's not too terribly loud, is a 35-hour print. So I needed something reliable, and the Matterhackers Build Series PLA has been extremely, extremely reliable. No failures, nice prints, quality is there, things look good. My amount of finishing time will be not nearly as horrendous as I thought it might be. So there's some of the parts. The final part of one of the blasters is printing behind me, not quite done yet, but I do have, like any horrendously bad cooking show you've ever seen, one that I just pulled out of the oven, so to speak. This is a big build. So here is blaster number 1. Made out of 3 parts, as you can see there before. I've started the priming process of this, the sanding process of it. I joined the 3 parts together using a combination of a couple different glues, Gorilla Glue, some CA glue to put it together initially. Through the barrels here, I've got PVC pipes that I put an allowance for in there into the model so that I could run the pipes through the barrels, so that they are not brittle and break easily. And then through the rest of the portions of it, I put through some dowel rods and used Gorilla Glue, which you can kind of see leaking out some of the seams, which is good because I got to fill those seams in. It's got plenty of strength. My only fear is that it's not too heavy at this point, but it's a big project, and there's going to be all kinds of amazing things done with this. You know, we can't show you too much of this right now, but I wanted to show you all a little bit of what's going on with this and what's been keeping me busy as of late, along with all the other normal stuff. So very excited about this one. Really cool. I have yet to build something out of episode 1 and much out of the prequels to this point yet. So an exciting project to be sure, definitely. Magic Wheelchair, again, is an amazing organization that helps kids be able to costume or cosplay. Choose your word however you'd like to. It's fantastic. Costumes are created for kids at no cost to them or to the families, and as part of this Star Wars build for San Diego Comic-Con next month, Magic Wheelchair has done a Kickstarter to help finance the transportation, lodging, and logistics of moving these builds from across the country out to San Diego. The build team that I'm part of is essentially based in Texas. I'm by Chicago. There's people that are part of the group that are out on the left coast, out in California. Amazing group of people, fantastic, awesome people all the way around who jumped in at the last minute to help out with this. So been a lot of fun working with everybody on this so far. Unfortunately, it's almost done. I got to get this thing out of here. These blasters got to go out of here right after the weekend at the very latest to go to Texas for final assembly. So if you want to help out Magic Wheelchair and help with this Kickstarter, I'm going to put a link down below. There are several different ways to donate. You can donate, you know, just strict donations. Some of the donation levels starting at, I believe, $25 have gifts that you'll receive. At $50 you can get a t-shirt, an exclusive Magic Wheelchair t-shirt. Beyond that, there are much larger sponsorships available, and again, what these all do is help get the families, get the kids out to San Diego Comic-Con next month, get them somewhere to stay, travel, all that stuff, and to arrange for the movement of their completed costumes back to their homes. So links down in the description for that. Please donate. Please share this information with other people. Grab the link down below, copy it, throw it up on Facebook, throw it up on Twitter. We've got until the 18th next month, 18th of July, to get this fully funded and off the ground. And after just a couple days, it's already well over a quarter of the way there. So thanks for taking a couple minutes to check out what's going on here. and hear me talk a little bit more about Magic Wheelchair, I encourage you to seek them out, find out more information about them, look more into their story. Check out the build video, link down below too, from last year, the tested video of the unveiling of the Justice League builds from last year. Very cool, very awesome video. Check it out as well. So thank you everybody for listening today and spending a couple minutes here. Thanks so much. Hope your week is good. I will share an update towards the end once I get these things completed, painted, and ready to go. So it's John saying thanks. 9142 Props and Armory. Have an awesome week, and share away, please.